Lunch. Hala. Malala! Pop! Hi guys! Good morning! Alas 6 na guys ng umaga. Kagigising ko lang. Good morning. Pero na-shock ako sa labas. Snowstorm. Nag-storm guys. As in, snowstorm talaga. I-up natin para makita ninyo. Ang laki ng snowflake, guys. As in, guys, sobrang laki ng snowflakes. Yan, nag-snow, sobrang hangin, snowstorm. Look. Lahat ng ano namin, patio, na puno. Kaloka. Akala ko okay na. Akala ko spring na. Winter pa pala. Winter pa pala, Rox. Ang mga tao tulog pa. Tulog, walang pasok ngayon. Walang pasok trabaho kasi snowstorm.
Watching.
Misty. Snow na yung mukha mo, Mitz. Look, tignan mo yung sister mo doon. Nag-enjoy si snow. Tignan mo naman yan. Kahit sobrang hangin, nag-snowstorm na sa labas, andun pa rin. Gustong-gusto talaga niya sa labas. Gusto. Tignan nyo. Nakahiga. Roxy! Coming in! Come in! Come! Hurry up! Hurry, hurry, hurry up, up. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh my God, yung hangin. Oh my God. Yung hangin. Did you poo-poo? Look at what did you bring inside? It's snow. Look what you bring inside. Yung snow. Yes. Yo, icy cold na yung legs mo, oh. Day. Anya, usamay ko ani Papa, wa kay balita ni Papa. Ugma mo tawag ko yung sister ko, kausap ko. Anyway, anyway guys, meron pa pala akong ano guys, yung alam niyo may 'di ba naglalaba ako. Ano talaga na ano ako ba, na busy ako sa laro, na busy ako sa pag-film, na busy ako sa pag-edit. Sa kahapon yung ginawa ko is cleaning the whole house, cleaning the cat litter, cleaning the basement. And also, I've been doing laundry twice already, guys. The first laundry that I did was not even folded yet. It's not even folded yet. Plus there's another one. So it's been piling up in my filming room. So right now I'm going to go in there and fold it. Finally, I found the charger of my Conair, yung pang ano sa mukha. Maganda ito, guys. I bought this from Costco for like 50 bucks, 40 something, 30, I'm not sure, but less than 50 bucks ito. And I finally found a charger so I can charge it and use it now. Hi, mukbang tayo, guys. Ito yung kakainin ko is rice, of course, at saka dalawang chicken. At saka sausawan ko is yung vinegar, lemon, at saka sili. Nilagyan ko ng konting soy. So, yun siya. At saka also, guys, manonood ako, at saka i-react ko na din siya. Manonood tayo na, sabayan nyo na ako while doing my mukbang. I'm going to react of this video. Like, this is the PUBG, funny Pinoy PUBG moment volume, blah, blah, blah. So, I will watch this with you guys, okay? Let's watch it. Kain tayo. Kamay tayo, kamay.
Oh, there's one thing on top. Go inside the warehouse. Go inside the warehouse.
Dami kalaban. Anghang.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, guys. Sorry. Let me see if I can at least.
Oy, oy, oy. Kalaban. Up. Hala. Tamaan on doon, no? Kasama. Ayan.
Oh, I killed all of them, yes. There's one guy behind me. I'm gonna punch him right now. Only if I can, but I'm still in my parachute. Oh no, he's gonna land first. He's gonna punch me. Oh,
Hala.
I'm not gonna punch him. Here we go.
Hala.
Oh yeah, Big G.
That is the one! There's no question! That is the one! Look at this again.
Oh boy.
I mean, that's
Bang, aha.
in a game.
Yeah, as long as he keeps it in the game.
Wow.
That's why you don't turn the dial.
You don't punch me, man. Hold on, let me yell a little bit. Hello?
Hello.
YouTube account too, right? Sorry about that, my friend. YouTube account? Better be. Follow me there. What you doing, son? Just chilling. Sorry about that. Really, I'm sorry.
A few moments later.
Oh, you're back. Hello. MaryAnn A, hello. Hello. Okay, man. Hello. Tawag ka sa akin. Yes, I have to tignan dito ko eh.
Frying pan lang yung dala. Kain tayo, guys. Sarap ng chicken, guys. Saka yung sausawan. Sobrang sarap. Hala! Yung kaskahoy. Hala! Hala!
You're not gonna run me over, boy.
Hala! 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 Sarap ng chicken ay. Sobrang sarap. Sausawan. Ah! Hala! Bang bang! Oh my god!
That he knew. He fucked up. Do you hear me, my friend? Alright. No, I want to talk to you more. I'm gonna fight this guy here. With me at 16 here.
Oh my goodness!
Fuck off, nigger.
Sorry about that, my friend.
Fuck off, fucking Chinese nigger. Go back to your fucking.
I'm not Chinese. I'm not Chinese. I'm not Chinese.
Chinese. Go back to your fucking server. No one fucking likes me. You fucking
No, 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 I'm not Chinese, my friend. I'm serious. You think?
He get mad. I get pissed after that.
27 left. So yeah, I am in this bush, just chilling, you know, waiting for decent attachments. I got extended mag. I got decent meds like first aid and boosters. It's pretty much a good setup for chicken dinner.
Chicken
And then
dinner.
this-
Chicken lunch. Hala. Oh, hala, hala. Pop! Hala.
Putang ina mo, ginagawa mo. Pare. Yung cellphone ah.
Anghang. Ng ano? Hala. What the frick is he doing? He's backing up. He doesn't even know what he's doing. What the heck?
Hindi naman dyan ako talaga. What happened to him? What happened? Is he cheating? No, he's not cheating. Get down, Rox. Roxy, get down. Get down, Rox. Rice muna ako, rice. Check this out. Huwag kang gagalaw, ganyan ka na.
What the hell?
Hi YouTube, hi YouTube. Say hi YouTube, my friend. Say hi YouTube, my friend. Say it in Chinese.
你好。你好啊，YouTuber。Oh, barilin na. Barilin na. Nakard ako.
Okay.
What the?
Lawrence, paparilin na.
One.
Bakit ko na?
Sorry, but it was a wrong time.
You should the wrong way.
Sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. Holy shit, I misclicked. Sorry. There you go.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Kaloka talaga to, Golo.
Sa baba niya.
Careful, Kobe.
Ano sabi ano? May gilid. Go, Kobe, go.
I like this game. Itong si mga ROS, yung PUBG. Sarap ano siya. Sarap laruin, nakakatawa. Lalo na pag yung Pinoy mga loko-loko. Ang anghang nito, guys. Ito na, tama na to. Tama na. Dinner chicken para sa Rose of Survival. I'll see you in my next mukbang reaction video. Okay, that's it. Bye, guys.